Okay, welcome to part 5 of how to design one-story building in Protastructure. Now, on this part 5 right now, I will show you how to edit your story when your ground floor plan and your first floor plan, is not the same at all. Now, if you look at this AutoCAD plan which we are designing for, you can see that on our ground floor plan, there is a cantilever, as you can see it here right now. So there is a change from the ground floor plan and the first floor plan right now, which makes our columns to come out on the empty space on the first floor plan. So we will now have to go and shift and also adjust all the columns, sorry, not all the columns, these columns that are showing pink here on the first floor area. So that's why I want to show you right now how to make changes on your plan in Protastructure when the ground floor plan and the first floor plan are not the same right now. So knowing that right now on this model right now, which we are designing for right now, that we will have to make changes on this building right now. So I'll have to make changes right now. Now, before we start right now, if you want to check on the part 1 to part 4 of this video, I'll say you should check on this video description, and you will see the part 1 to part 4 on how we go to this stage, and I will say you should watch it right now before you can now follow up what we are doing right now. So right now on this place right now, we have to go and make changes right now of all these columns to now go and shift all these columns right now to hide them inside this block wall on the first floor, because right now they are trying to come out on this first floor. So right now we go here right now on story 2 right now, which is the roof area, and then make that changes right now. So on this story 2 right now, there is a change right now of this story 2 right now. So we click on this place right now and click on select story 2 right now. So on this story 2 right now, we have to go and shift all these columns and the beams right now onto this cantilever area right now. So right now, let us go and be checking what we are going to shift right now. So in this AutoCAD plan right now, this column right now is to be shifted from this point, and also this one also to be shifted also. So all the columns that are showing pink here is to be shifted, and also the beams also to be shifted right now. So we will have to shift this column and this beam on this very end right now onto this edge of our cantilever right now. So we will have to go and do that right now. So by doing that right now, we go here right now and then go to this place right now. And then we have to go and shift this column right now from this point to this point right now. So we just click on the column right now, right click and say properties right now. On doing that right now, we have to go and insert here right now. But this column right now is meant to flush up to this very line right now. So go here right now and choose this place right now for it to flush and say update. And this will update right now. So since we have put that column right now, we will just first of all click on escape right now and then go over here right now. Since this column that are showing pink here is meant to be removed right now, so we'll go here right now and just remove this column since we have made that changes right now, and just delete it right now. And then we go the same thing here also right now and make changes here. We will make changes on all the columns here on this line except this very last one here. As you can see it here right now, that this very last one is still hidden on inside the wall as it was carried up to the first floor. So we have just changed all the ones showing pink here. So we'll go here right now and then change this one also right now. So since all the columns we hide, we will have to flush at the same plane. So we'll click on this one right now and take properties right now and begin to insert our column here right now. Click here also, and then click here also, and then click here also. But this very one will still remain here. So right now we will have to now go and remove all the columns which is here right now on this one right now. Take this off by using delete and delete that right now. I'll be using the delete button instead of just by clicking. Or let me just show you here. Go here right now and delete this also, and then go here right now and delete this one also. So right now we will also go here right now and make a change on this very one also. So right now we'll also go and check what's happening on this area right now. If you check here also right now, you can see that this column also is to be removed, is to be shifted to this very end here right now. You can see that right now. So we can choose to shift this column on this very end right now. So let us go here right now and make that changes right now. So we go here right now, click at this place right now. Sorry, click on this. Let us take this column properties right now and click on the properties right now and come here right now and insert this column here. You can choose to put the column here or put the column at this edge here right now. So I choose to put the column here right now, and then I'll just click on escape and then come here and delete this column right now. Delete it. Okay, so you can now see that we have removed all the columns at this very point, as you can see it here as we have it on our Protastructure. You can see that we have removed all the columns as you can see them right now. So this is what we are advised to do right here on our AutoCAD, is to remove the column on the first floor only, not on the ground floor, because ground floor is okay, but on the first floor where the plan changes is to remove the column right here on this very point and then push them. So we have successfully removed the column on this very end right now. and we have pushed them into this place to hide them inside this place, on the first floor. So we have pushed the columns onto this place right now. So we also have to go and also push these beams right now, this one on this line right now, onto this place, because that's where we have the beams onto this place right now. So since we have successfully pushed all the columns from, you can see that from this point right now, so you can now see that all the columns from this point have now shifted on the first floor onto this very end right now. Also, we have done this also on this other side also, to shift all the columns here onto this very end also. So right now we will also go and shift these beams right now from at the roof level to also flush together with this column right now. So right now we will also go and shift the columns right now, sorry, the beams right now. So we will also go here right now, click on this beam and delete all the beams on this line, because it is to be shifted to flush with this column right here right now. So remove all the beams on this very end right now, this one also, and then go right now and click on beam, right, sorry, on concrete member, and click on concrete beam, and then type, okay, it's already there, 300 as our beam depth. As you can see that we are using 300 depth as for the roof, and then click at this place right now, and then click at this place right to now insert our beam right now. Now our beam also is meant to flush. You can see that it's not flushing, it is meant to flush with the column right now. So come here right now and change the beam plane to click on this place, that the grid line should be the one that will come first, and the beam should shift inside. So you can now see that it is now flushing directly. Sorry, it is not flushing perfectly, as you can see there right now. So we will also do the same thing right now to insert beam on this very edge right now. So we will insert beams. You can see how it's changing here right now. Let me just show you how it's changing. So you can now see that we will insert beam all the way around to this place right now. So we'll insert beam right now all the way down to this place right now, and then all the way. So we'll go here right now and click on this place right now. So see, you can see that this place right now need a cantilever beam to come out right now. So we'll go here right now and click at this place right now to input the cantilever beam right now. And this will we also flush at the very column right, but right now it is not flushing with the column right. You can see there right now. So we'll come here right now and change to this right now, and then click on update for it to flush. Okay, right now we'll just go here right now and click on center line to flush. Okay, right now you can now see that it is not flushing right now. Okay, so right now we'll now go here right now. So now I can assign this one right now as cantilever, and this one will not be a cantilever. So come here right now, I click on this place, mark cantilever, and say both ends supported, because this cantilever beam right now is carrying this beam at this very end right now. So right now again you can see that these beams also are meant to extend into this beam right now. So we also have to go and extend all these beams right now. Also this one also right now, this beam also we have to shift onto this cantilever edge right now. You can see it there, because on our plan view right here, on our plan right now, this beam that is on the ground floor shifted onto this very end. As you can see it here, this beam shifted to this very end to flush with the cantilever. So right now we will also shift this beam right now to flush with the cantilever right now. So right now this place also will also have a cantilever beam right now. So I'll go here, cantilever, and then provide the cantilever beam from this point to this point right now. We are okay, you can see it right now. Then provide the cantilever beam also from this point to this point also, and then try to align this beam together with this column. So I'll click on this place right now and say center line, and then click on this place right now. And then right now I will now have to also flush this beam right now. If I now remove this beam right now to now move it to this place, I'll just delete this beam right now first, then try to flush this, then try to create a beam to flush on this end right now, because you can see that there must be a beam on this very end area to carry the roof, plates, to carry the roof truss on this area right now. So I'll go here right now and click on my beam, click on here right now, and then click at this place right now to insert my beam right now. Now the beam is meant to flush at this very end, it's meant to flush together with the very end here. So I'll go here right now and then click on this place and click on here and then say flush. Okay, so right now I can now see that it is now flushing perfectly at this very place right now. So right now we have made our changes right now. You can see that we have made our changes right now. Now we want to now extend all these beams right now to hit this very beam right now, because right now they have to extend from this point right now to this point right now. So right now I'll have to now delete all these beams right now which are not flushing on this very column right now. So I'll delete them right now to now go and insert them back. So I'll delete all the beams. Let me delete here also, and then delete here also, and then begin now to now flush the beam right now. Click on this beam right now. There is a beam here to here. Let me make it to centralize. There is a beam here to here, and also you can see there right now, and also there is also a beam from here to here, because this place is for our staircase, and also there is a beam from here to here, and also a beam from here to here, and also okay, that's all for that. And we can just remove this beam right now, because for me on this place it is of no use, because this is just a roof beam that we are trying to create. So our timber for the roof can line up from this point to this point, and also from here to here, and also from here to this point, and also we will also have intermediate wood to carry the carry the roof king post. Okay, so right now you can now see how we have made our changes, that if your plan is not the same from the ground floor and on the first floor, so this is how to adjust your beams right now. So if you look at this place right now, you can see that this column right now is not sitting directly on our cantilever. It's not sitting directly on a cantilever slab, and Protastructure will not allow you to sit column directly on the cantilever slab. So with that right now, we will have to go and introduce a cantilever beam directly at the bottom of this area right now. Let me just show you. We will have to go and introduce a cantilever beam directly at the bottoms of this beam of this area right now to be able to carry the column, because this software will not allow you to sit column directly on the slab, else it will not be able to run. It will be showing you error. So right now we'll go here right now on the ground floor right now and introduce our cantilever slab directly. And since this width, normally during construction, since this cantilever length is 450, it will be able for you to tie a column directly on the slab. But Protastructure will not allow you to do that right now. So right now we'll have to go and introduce a cantilever beam right now. So I'll go here right now and input my cantilever beam right now. I'll use the depth to be 300, and then input that right now on everywhere I have. So if you check this right now, you can now see that. Let me just rotate this right now. You can now see that we now have a cantilever beam carrying this column right now at this very end right now. So we will have to introduce a cantilever beam or where we have column sitting on the cantilever slab. So right now we go again right now on this place again right now and introduce a cantilever beam directly on this place right now. Click here and click here, which will now show here. I can see there right now, and escape, and then click here again and click here. Also, it will also show here right now. You can see there right now, and then showing here right now, and we also go and show cantilever beam here right now, and then go here right now, click on the concrete beam, and then click on here again, here to here right now, which is show here also, and then escape, and then go here right now, and then click at this place, which will also show here right now, and click at this place right now. Okay, so you can now see that we have created all our cantilever cantilever beam right now, all the place carrying this load right now. You can see there right now. Okay, if you check on this place right now, there is no need for us to provide a cantilever beam here, because this cantilever beam is not carrying anything. It's not okay. We can leave it to carry the wall that will sit on this very end. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so right now again, if you go here right now, we have not yet provided a cantilever beam support that will be able to carry this column at this very end right now. So if you go here right now, you can see that you cannot be able to provide a cantilever beam here because there is a slab here. It will be showing you that there is that the beam is trying to overlap with the slab. So right now I'll have to provide an angular beam, an inclined beam on this very end here. So I'll provide an inclined beam to this very end here. You can see that it's trying to show that the slab is trying to overlap with the beam. So right now I will have to first of all go here right now, click at this slab right now to remove this slab first, and then click on this slab again right now, right click and say properties, and just say update for it to come back to this place. And after we will have to go and input that slab back. So right now I will have to now go right now and just input my inclined beam right now. So that means that we have to shift that column on the up, not column, inclined beam, then try to provide our inclined beam to sit at this very place. So our column right now will be able to sit at this very end right now and not at this place where it was. So right now we will have to now go to second floor right now and change our second floor right now. Go to second floor, and then change this column where it is right now to now sit at this very end right now. So go here right now, remove this column as it is here right now, and then move it to the very edge here, and go here column, and insert our column at this very edge here. Make it to flush with the shape as we have here. Let us check if that will work. No, that didn't work. So make it to flush. Okay, that will work right now, and you can see that right now. Now in this case right now, we will have to now click on escape right now, and then try to adjust all the beam that is on this area. Right? So we have to remove this beam right now, and then try to make this beam to flush with the column as you can see there right now. So we have to insert a new beam right now. Properties to take on this beam, and then insert this beam from here to here right now. And okay, and then you can now see how we have if you click on escape right now and then go to our first floor, you can see that what we have here right now, you can see that right now. So we will now go back to our ground floor right now to now insert this cantilever back slab right now. So go here right now and click on this place right now. The whole idea is just to trick this. It's just to trick this software, because software will not allow you to put column on directly on the slab, which in construction this would have been okay. So right now we just go here right now and begin to click on this slab right now, right click and say properties to insert back our cantilever slab from here to here right now, and click on this place right now. And then we will now have to now go here right now and click at this place right now, right click and just update it for it to flush directly and say update right now, and then click on what they call close, and then click on what they call escape here right now, escape. So right now you can now see what we have done right now. If I click on the story 1 right now, you can now see what we have just done right now. Let me just take this grid downward to the foundation level, which is story 0, 0. So you can now see that we have successfully done all the changes that's meant to be done, and we have also provided all the cantilever beam that we're able to carry these columns at this very end. So without you showing this cantilever beam, just know that. And if your column is sitting directly on the slab in Protastructure, there will be an error when you are trying to design this building, like your building. So this is how to make changes on your plan if your ground floor plan and your first floor plan is not the same, of which that's the kind of plan we design commonly even in real life. Your ground floor plan is most likely not the same with the first floor plan. There must be a slight change. So once you have a slight change, it is advisable to apply that change also on your structural design. So this is what we have just done right now, and we have just provided all our cantilever slab, all our cantilever beams, can see there right now, to carry all our cantilever to carry all our changes that we have done on the first floor. So this is how we have done that right now, and we have come to the end of this video right now for the part 5. And on the part 6 right now, I'll be showing you how to perform the design and also the analysis of this structure. So part 6 will be on the design and also the analysis. We will have to now choose the type of our concrete grade and our steel grade, and then perform the design, the full design, and also the design calculation for this building right now. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video right now. If you are missing out anything and you want us to recap, I would say you should drop where you're having confusion on this video comment section, and we will reply you ASAP. And also I would say you should click on the subscribe and also share this video so that your friends can also know what they are doing. Okay, so right now we are coming to the end right now, and watch out for the part 6 of this video right now. Thank you so much.